Welcome to another video tutorial by MilesWeb. Click on the subscribe button to get notified for our latest videos. How to customize the evolution skin in DirectAdmin. To customize the evolution skin, log into DirectAdmin panel with your reseller account. Go to the Reseller Tools section and click on Customize Evolution Skin. A panel with multiple configuration sections will appear. As a reseller, you will have access and permission to change most settings available there. We will get through each of the tabs one by one. Miscellaneous options. Logo, colors, miscellaneous options. It has various options to change the appearance of the panel interface. Default layout. Select an arrangement for the DirectAdmin tools. We recommend you to go with icons grid as it is more familiar to most users. Theme mode. There are two modes for the DirectAdmin interface: light and dark. There is a third option, automatic or user select, that leaves things to your discretion. Note that you can allow individual users to change the skin layout by unticking this option. It is better to leave it the way it is. If not, you will have a tough time navigating the interface when taking over the user account. Logo. This section allows you to change the logos for the interface. To change the logo for a particular field or option, click on X symbol beside the logo image you want to replace. It will remove the logo image from the field. Click on the box and upload the image from your local machine. The image will appear in the field box. Click on Upload to complete the process. You can repeat this process to change the logos for any other field. Currently, the evolution skin of the DirectAdmin panel offers 5 fields for the logos. First, default. Second, for dark mode and sidebar layout. Third, favicon. Fourth, symbol. Fifth, symbol with dark mode. The other sections are to customize the menu for user or reseller accounts. We will skip them and move to the Colors tab. Colors. Here you can adjust or change the colors for notification windows, messages, etc. based on their type or nature. The types are categorized as primary, safe, danger, neutral. After making the changes, click on Save and it will be over. Note that if you want to customize the menu, we recommend you contact support to handle it. The same goes for the widgets section. In this way, you can customize the evolution skin in DirectAdmin. Hopefully this video was helpful for you. If yes, then hit the like button. For any technical questions, you can contact us on this email ID. Do follow us on other social media platforms.